kukhona abantu abacabanga ukuthi bane choice kanti abazi ukuthi abana choice. Ucabanga ukuthi lama choices awenzayo awakhe, akaboni ukuthi acontaminated, aya ngokuthi wazini, ukonditioniwe kanjani, uvumeni wasekholwane, bese ecabanga ukuthi ufree. Myself included. Awu phela you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Ayithi indlela esiconditionwe ngayo nesikhuliseke ngayo nathi lento siyithola manje. We are still fighting and we are fighting with ourselves. Impi ngaphakathi. Buka ke phela. Labantu abalwayo kade ngikhuluma ngabo abasenza nje. Basebenzisa lo mthetho othi the universe is mental. Basebenzisa lona ngithi leli thuluze bekumele ngabe uyalisebenzisa uvela ukushintsha impilo yakho kuya phambili. There are infinite universes bekumele ngabe siya explore. The universes are infinite. And our home is the universe. Bekumele ngabe siya explore but we are stuck. Kwi plane eyodwa. And basebenzisa lo mthetho lo. Phela ngithi God is like electricity, like ukuze ukwazi uconceptualize. Ungamsebenzisa negative, ungamsebenzisa positive. Le power work in both ways. It has no respect of person. It works with law. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingile lo changes akasha uthi ngenzayo noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lo cansi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Bese ucabanga ukuthi ufree. Yabona lo mthetho othi the universe is mental. Lo mthetho ujule kakhulu lo mthetho lo. Ngoba sibhawa kwi programming yabanye abantu. Ngenhloso zabo njalo. And yabona wena uma ungafuni ukuba udriver nongqongqoshe empilweni yakho, ukhona udriver nongqongqoshe empilweni yakho. Ukubuza nje lezi indaba ofocuse kuzona kwi media ingoba uthanda kubalekile kuwe noma it's a compulsive behavior and the fear of missing out. Awuyibuza. Isn't that you have fear that uzosala ekuthenini kwenzekalani? You will be like uninformed. Really? Is this what you want to focus on? Lezi indaba ezikhulunyayo. Bese ngibuza umbuzo omunye ke. Utholani emva kwalokho? How does your life change uma siwazile lokhu okulandela day in day, episode after episode, ukuthi ubani usethe emva kwalokho? How does your life change for the better? How? Uyazi ukuthi labantu abakucontrolayo bajule kanjani? Akudingi ukuthi behle la bekhona befike kuwena bezokufunza ngenkani ukuthi yenzani. They just work with your mind. And when you think it's real, everything you think it's real. What is real is what you define real. And some of us, they think the world is going to collapse if we don't pay attention to all these things. Can't you just hold on a second and then decide what is it that you want to focus on intentionally and deliberately? It's like you have the fear, I'm going to miss out. It's like awukho relevant and you don't fit in if ungazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Angithi vele kuyazi ukuthi uzoba ne fear vele ukuthi you need to know. Uzoba ne form. And then it's like yazi ukuthi what is happening. It's like you are watching a movie. And this movie that is playing, ayinaso isikhathi ukuthi iphela nini. And we are doing nothing. And by the time you are watching this movie, your emotions are just played like this. And You have just forgotten that we are watching a movie. And ayipheli. And le movie le idlala ngawo ngoba awuzukuthola lutho. And it seems like uyibuka uzufe the movie. It seems like uyibuka uzufe ngoba it's a plot after plot. Ayikho climax. By the time you think there's a climax, there's a new plot. And you are doing nothing. Oh no. Oh no. And it's like there's something coming, boom. And then nothing comes. Unomlingiso omusha after umlingiso omusha. Kuthinteke nalaba obuyitshela ukuthi ba ama characters aqavile nje, it's interesting and it stimulates you. It stimulates you. You are just being stimulated and not informed in a progressive manner. You are not informed in any way, shape or form that is going to help you. You are just analyzing, you are making speculations. Even the people who you think they are analyzing things, they just think there's a possibility here, there's a possibility here, there's a possibility here. And there are people who are cooking this thing and they know for sure, okay, now we are changing this thing to this direction and then we are changing it this after this after this. And when we are just acting out of a compulsion, hey, I want to see what I think, what is going to happen. We are watching a movie, and can't you just write your own movie? Can't you just be a script writer now for your own movie to watch? Just watch your own movie. That is because this movie that you are watching is not even entertaining. It's just stimulating your brain receptors. It's just stimulating. Nothing is happening. It's not enjoyable. It's not an enjoyable experience. It's just a guessing game, playing with your emotions most. Fear, yeah, anxiety, yeah, anger khona lapho. Awukho nje exciting ukuthi nje oh wow. So once kwakhona exciting uzobona kuzoba no something else futhi, and then you say this thing, yeah. It's like there's someone writing this script. Can't you write your own movie in your own life? Be the director and be the watcher of your movie as well. Can't you be? You can't write your own movie if you still watch somebody else's movie. You can't. What you are going to do, we are going to fill up the gaps and guess, and you are going to dance ngale ndlela lo obhalile ofuna udance ngayo, and umoshekelwa isikhathi because you are guess ukuthi what is going to happen, what is going to happen. And some of you, they even know this movie is not going to end, and some they know if this plot ends, we are not going to gain anything from this plot, but surely there is another plot that is being cooked. Yabo? I'm not talking about one sphere la. Maybe don't mistaken me or quote me wrong. I'm talking about politics, or I'm talking about socially, economically, politically, religiously. Yonke indawo. There's a script. There are people who are writing, they are using the laws of the universe. The universe is mental. And it is like this, dancing like this. Acting into ukuthi suffocate attention ukuzife. Acting lokho. Acting ukuthi into uyisuffocate attention ukuze ife. Ila uzokwazi khona kodwa manje kuzoba nzima ngoba kuba sengazi ukuthi I'm going to miss. Something is moving. I'm going to miss. I'm going to be irrelevant. A fear of missing out. When I do think khona inkinga ngalo muntu ongenayo iphone oyihlalela emakhaya oyichilexela ongena TV ongena phone. Do you think ikhona inkinga kuyena nje? Is missing. No, it's not missing. Ngoba akanayo ifear ngoba akazi ukuthi yini ayimisayo. When you think you are missing because you have already introduced to something. nabo bathatha ezinye ingane zabantu lapha emahlathini bayizwisa oswidi bayidlisa lokhu bayifuna uyi-introduce kulento le lolu talagu lezi ngane zabantu uzozisola ukuthi ngayazelani lento le angabe ziyayewa zihlalela emahlathini.